In the middle of a dark forest, there was a mysterious place where a palace surrounded by flames stood. It was said that a girl lived there, one who glowed like fire itself. But as soon as she stepped into the city, she appeared just like an ordinary human. At night, when the world slept, she lived within the flames, where no one could enter, and no one could see her. But as daylight emerged, she roamed the streets of the city like a normal girl. People believed she was just like them, but no one knew that at night, she transformed into the Fire Princess. One day, a young man named Rayhan saw her returning from the city. Curious, he secretly followed her. As soon as she entered the forest, the flames around her rose high. Rayhan was terrified, yet his curiosity did not let him turn away. "Who are you?" he asked bravely. The girl closed her eyes and softly replied, "I am the one who must live as an ordinary girl by day and within the flames by night." Rayhan was astonished. "Why?" "It is an ancient curse," she whispered. "Until someone truly understands my real existence, I will remain this way, alone in the fire." Rayhan, determined, said, "I won't let you be alone." Can Rayhan uncover the secret? Will the girl ever be free from the flames? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Dreamy Tunes, and tap the bell so you never miss an adventure.